Today we're going to be looking at the top Amazon work from home jobs that you can pursue now. In this video we're going to go through step by step what those jobs are and how you can actually make money with them. So if you're looking to make extra money from home from your laptop or PC, then this could be for you. Stay tuned right to the very end of this video. We are going to go through every single one of the best Amazon work from home jobs that are available right now online. Okay, the first one we're going to be looking at, and that is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, what this is, it's access to a global and on-demand 24/7 workforce. So you will be part of this workforce doing certain jobs for businesses and companies. So very easy to actually register. You just sign in as a requester, and you can also learn more here. So if you come to the mturk.com, that will get you onto this website. As you can see here, it says it's a crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their process jobs and to distribute a workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. So this saves the company obviously hiring a temporary workforce if they've just got a certain job they want to get done, which can be obviously time consuming, expensive and difficult to scale. With obviously this, with the Amazon Mechanical Turk, they can dip in and out as and when they need these micro tasks to be done. Now the benefits, optimize efficiency. Now it says here obviously they will take on simple and repetitive tasks, which means that they will free up time and resources for that company. So internal staff can focus on higher level activities. So as you can see, this is how it works. mturk offers developers the access to a diverse on-demand workforce through a flexible user interface. You would be part of this actual workforce, okay? And then you would be doing such work as micro work, human insights, and machine learning development. So because this is a virtual work, a lot of it is virtual work, you can do this from the comfort of your own home. Now, there are obviously low risks to this because you're not going to have to outlay any income or anything like that before you do the work. But the only thing is, this is quite sought after. So the competition for Amazon Mechanical Turk is quite high. But like I say, all you've got to do is register your interest, and then you can obviously take it further if there are certain jobs in that you want to do. Yeah, the second one on my list is going to be an Amazon Customer Service Associate. Now, as you can see here, it's actually saying there are 55 open jobs available. Now, these jobs are available in more than 130 locations over 40 countries around the world. So it also supports customers in 16 different languages. So if English is not your fluent language, then this again could be for you because they are sought after various different languages to obviously fill their virtual customer service team. Now, where employees, they will work from home, provide flexibility and the freedom to work from a location that suits them. So associates are having to be bright, articulate, detail orientated with a genuine desire to find solutions for the customer's problems. Now, these problems could be just could be something as simple as locating a package, connecting an Echo to a Fire TV or something, returning an item, or assisting a delivery driver to get a package to a customer on time. So again, they are seeking obviously action-oriented, flexible problem solvers to assist their customers. Now, the associates interacting directly with the customer via phone, email, chat, or mobile chat, and Alexa, using cutting-edge tools to navigate customers' accounts, research and review policies. So again, as long as you've got an internet connection, you can do this from home. Now, with both the Amazon Mechanical Turk and the Customer Service Associates, you're going to probably earn anywhere between sort of $1,000 to possibly $2,000 every single month with this. Obviously, the Customer Service Associate, this is probably going to be more of a regular work, obviously more of a sort of weekly work, whereas the Amazon Mechanical Turk possibly could be as and when jobs become available. If you're liking this content, then make sure you give us a big thumbs up. This will help us in the algorithms, and that means that more people will see the video. Okay, so the next one we're going to quickly talk about is Amazon Merch on Demand. Now, there are various different websites out there that you can actually get stuff printed on demand, and Amazon, you can do exactly the same. So you can become a merch on demand content creator. Now, don't worry too much if you don't know about how to create content. All you need to do is have some sort of way of being able to point and click, and that's all you're going to need to do, because you can actually use. I'm going to show you a site you can use where you can go and create various different designs very quickly and very easily. So that's all you need to do is actually go and create design. And then you suggest a list price after uploading your artwork. So you upload your artwork and then you suggest a list price. And then we will print what is sold. Now, what you can actually get printed are various different things. You can have bags, you can have sweatshirts, you can have t-shirts. So loads of different things that you can actually use. You don't need any, obviously, inventory, so you haven't got to actually put stock in place. There is nothing to actually do apart from design it. Okay, now once it's designed, like I say, Amazon will fulfill the order. So in other words, they will then print it in their shop, they will send it out to the customer using Prime, and then obviously you will earn monthly royalties. You will get the profit from the actual garment. So obviously Amazon will take their percentage for doing it, and also for obviously covering the cost of the actual garment themselves, and you will end up with a profit on the end of it. But at the end of the day, you haven't got to come up with any products or any services or anything and send it out, have any worry about returns or anything like that. Amazon does everything for you. So in that sense, it's a great business that you can obviously do from home. Now the site, if you wanted to know, if you wanted to get into this and you wanted to start creating yourself, you could go onto a site like Canva, start designing stuff in Canva, go onto Amazon itself and find out what is working. Now normally these could be sayings on t-shirts, that sort of thing. So it's only a question of wording that you'd actually have to come together. And again, like Canva could be a great place where you can go and do that, download it and then upload your artwork, and then you are good to go. Now, if you didn't want to get the artwork done at all, you could go onto a site such as Upwork or Fiverr and get someone to actually produce the artwork for you. Now, of course, that may obviously cost you a few bucks, 10, 15 bucks or something like that. But if you're going to sell 1,000 of these items over a period of time, you're more than going to obviously get your money back on that artwork. And of course, what you must make sure, if you're getting someone else to do it, make sure that you are given the copyright to that artwork included in the price. So the fourth one we're going to look at is Amazon Associates. Okay, now Amazon Associates, that just basically means that you're going to become an affiliate for all the Amazon products. How cool is that? So that means you could go onto Amazon and you can promote any single product you like. So you've got all these different categories at the top here and all that sort of thing that you could go and promote. Now, the beauty of Amazon Associates as well is that you get a individual link for each separate item that you want to actually promote. When someone clicks on your link and visits Amazon, if they buy the product, you will actually get a small commission. Now, this is going to be anything from about 3 or 4% up to about 12% maximum. So the commissions aren't great, but again, you haven't got to come up with a product. You haven't got to obviously send it out or anything like that, because Amazon does absolutely everything. Now, the other advantage is the customer that actually follows your link, that link is then live for the next 24 hours. So if they, for argument's sake, want something in the cooking and dining section that you sent them to, they may also want some furniture. So at the same time, they may order some furniture as well. Now, you will get a percentage across the whole order as long as it falls within that 24-hour period. So again, this could amount to thousands of dollars every single month. Only disadvantage with this is you would need to get traffic to your actual links. Okay, so now the way you could do this, you could actually use Pinterest. A lot of people use Pinterest and link to the particular product that they're actually got on the image back across to Amazon. Other people will do YouTube or TikTok videos, and again, research. They will review the product and again say, follow my link in my bio. YouTube's probably better because you can actually put an individual link actually in the description so they can click directly on it. Or a lot of people actually create their own blog. Okay, so what I would suggest is obviously with the blog is keep it around a certain niche. So if you're looking at cooking and dining, that sort of thing, or cooking recipes, so you could say, "Oh, I was going to use this kitchen appliance to make my espresso coffees. These are the ones I recommend. These are my top 10 kitchen appliances for coffee machines," and then you could link all of them back to Amazon to their top 10, and then as soon as they click on one of those, they are going to be linked to you with that for that next 24-hour period. You can start this from the comfort of your own home, and you can start it basically for little costs. And sometimes if you use a YouTube channel, that sort of thing, it could be zero cost. Blog, there would be a small cost to get that up and running. Amazon Associates is a great way to have a massive products that you could obviously dip into and earn commissions from. So another way you could actually become something very similar here, but you could monetize content with your Amazon influencer program. So you can actually become an Amazon influencer. So if you are on places like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all those sort of places, you can inspire customers to discover Amazon's millions of products by creating your personalized page on Amazon, where you can publish your live streams, shoppable photos and videos, etc. So this is how it works. You can actually go and build in your storefront. Then you create your content and obviously recommend products to your audience. And then again, very similar to the Amazon Associates, you will earn a competitive commission rates to help maximize your earnings. Now, the only disadvantage with the Amazon influencer program that it's very difficult to actually get in. You will need a following to begin with, so you will need 2,000 or 3,000 followers on TikTok, or maybe a few thousand followers on YouTube, that sort of thing. So you may have to obviously work on that to begin with. So what I would probably recommend is go for the Amazon Associates program while you're building. Then, as you get bigger, you can then apply for the Amazon influencer program as well. Okay, so the sixth one we're going to be talking about, and that is Amazon Kindling Direct Publishing, so KDP as it's known. Now, if you didn't already know, Amazon actually started out as a bookstore, would you believe? And obviously, it has progressed into the huge company that it is today. But they still have the book side, and you can actually go and self publish ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing. And you can obviously reach millions of readers on Amazon. So you've actually got a great marketplace already there. So you can actually earn money. You can earn up to 70% royalty on the sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Brazil, and so on. So you can actually enroll as a KDP Select and earn more money through Kindle Unlimited. Now, how this works, obviously, you've got to obviously come up with an ebook and create an ebook or something similar. This can then be put on the Kindle publishing, and you can actually sell it. Now, some people actually give away their actual ebooks on here, so they're actually zero price. The why they do that is because they're linking to a back end product, but there's no reason why you can't actually charge $4, $5, $10 for an actual ebook if it's about a specific niche. And you could end up selling thousands of actual copies every single month. So even though you're only actually charging a few dollars per book, again, once it's up there, you have to do absolutely nothing. Amazon will push it out to his readers. They will actually deliver it because it's really easy to deliver, because obviously it's a digital product. So all the person's got to do once they bought it is download it. So very, very simple, very easy to do. And again, this is very scalable as well. So there's nothing stopping you having loads of different books in loads of different genres across the Kindle publishing, such as some of the AI tools we've got out there today, the chat GPT and all that sort of thing. You could easily go and create ebooks about certain products very quickly. You could easily create probably a full ebook in a day, and then you could get it up, published, and ready to roll, and bringing in money within 48 hours. Very, very scalable business, which you can do. And it's pretty well hands off once you actually have created the books and uploaded them. So Amazon themselves have got obviously loads of different products that they actually sell. Just these best-selling books, for argument's sake. But if we go into, say, baby products, and we go, say, into this Huggies, you will see here there are loads of different photos. A lot of people do what we call Amazon FBA. So they will actually go grab the product from China, have it shipped across to Amazon in probably the US or into the UK, probably into the US mainly. And then what will happen is they will put their listing up, and Amazon will then send the product out directly from their warehouses in the US to the customers. So the clients that are actually running this business are having to fork out quite a lot of hundreds, even thousands of dollars to order this product in, because you'll have to order a certain amount of product. Now, if they're putting all this money into a certain product, they're going to want it to sell. So they need decent actual images that stand out so that they can actually sell more than another product. There are going to be people around that are going to need Amazon photography. Go onto a site called Fiverr.com, type in Amazon photography, and as you can see here, there are various different products. I will do an Amazon product photography, pure white background, £125. So that's over $150 just for one actual client. And as you can see, this guy's done 104 actual sales of this so far. There's another one here underneath it. This starts from £208, so around about $250. And again, they've done 258 of these actual sales. And not only that, there are more things you could do with if you weren't into photography. If you just type in Amazon, you can also do things like product research for Amazon. And you can also write a top Amazon listing with SEO, because again, some people just don't know how to do this. So again, look, this one's guys had over 1,000 clients at £62 starting from. So that's about $80. Again, this one, it says it will design an Amazon brand storefront. Okay. So again, all these things, if you're serious about an Amazon shop, you're going to want to need these. And if you can't do it yourself, you're going to need someone to do it for you. This one, look, I will do product research for Amazon private label FBA. Over 1,000 clients she's had at £80. That's $100. So she's earned $100,000. As you can see, there are loads of work from home jobs that you can do on Amazon or associated with Amazon directly from your PC or laptop. Trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.